another groom. So I gotta do my hair. Alright, that's done. Let me just do this real quick though. Alright. I gotta do my moisturizing lotion rolling. Alright, this one I'm gonna have to do. I just gotta wash it out. Oop.